Good day, class. So our topic for today is all about relation. Objectives: to define relation, represent a relation in three ways: a table of values, a mapping diagram, and a graph. List the domain and range of a relation and identify the kind of relation. So first, let us identify the relation. So it is the relationship between sets of values of ordered pairs. When we say ordered pairs, it composed of x and y coordinates. So the set of all first coordinates is the domain or the values of x of the relation, and the set of all second coordinates is the range or the values of y of the relation. The domain and range should contain no repeating elements and should be arranged in ascending order, meaning from least to greatest. So now let us identify the domain and range of each relation. Again, take note that in writing the domain and range, there should be no repeating elements and they should be arranged in ascending order, meaning bawal may maulit na elements. Pag naulit, isang beses lang natin sila isusulat, tapos dapat laging mula sa mababa hanggang sa mataas na values yung pag-arrange natin ng domain and range. And also in domain and range, we're going to use this one, the curly brackets, or that is the braces. Okay? So first is the domain. Again, that is the set of all first coordinates or the x coordinates. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here are our domain. For the range, those are the values of y. So we're going to have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Next one. So domain, again, set of first coordinates or the x. So we have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Of course, una lagi yung negative values. And in negative values, di ba, the higher the negative number, the lower its value. So pag mas mataas yung negative, ibig sabihin mas mababa yung value niya. Okay? Then for the range, we have 5, 3, 1, -1, and -3. So arrange them. First one should be -3, then -1, +1, 3, and 5. Next, so domain, we have -4, 0, 3, and 3. So first one, we have -4, 0. So we have repeating element, which is 3. So we're going to write 3 once, isang beses lang. Okay? Meaning our domain will be -4, 0, and 3. For the range, we have -2, -2, 4, and 1. Meron ulit na ulit. Isang beses lang natin isusulat. So we're going to have -2, and then 1, 4. Next one, representation of relation. So aside from ordered pair, a relation can also be represented in three different ways. So we have the table of values, the mapping diagram, and the graph. We also have three kinds of relation. First one is the one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, and many-to-one relation. So let's define them. One-to-one relation. Each element in the domain is paired with exactly one unique element in the range, and no two elements in the domain are paired with the same element in the range. So meaning, in one-to-one relation, so we have every element in the domain is paired exactly with one unique element in the range. So partner sila one by one, walang nauulit doon. Okay? In one-to-many relation, one element in the domain is paired with two or more elements in the range. So, meaning is like in one-to-many relation, domain can be repeated. Okay? But in many-to-one relation, two or more elements in the domain are paired with the same elements in the range. So this time, in many-to-one, okay, saan naman yung may repeating elements natin? This time, in many-to-one, dun naman yan kay range. Okay? So let's try this. So given a relation, we're going to identify the domain, the range, the kind of relation, and we're going to represent it through table of values. So first one, domain, again, values of x. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, for the range, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then, kind of relation, it's 1 to 1. Next, for table of values, so sulat lang natin, parang yung ordered pairs lang din yan. So first one, we have 1 for the value of x and then 2 for the value of y. And the next ordered pair, we have 2, 4, 3, 6, and then 4, 8. Actually, in table of values, we can write it this way, parang vertical, or pwede din namang horizontal. It can be written like this. Okay, like 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 4, 8. Okay? Next one. So we have this. So again, identify the domain, range, and kind of relation. First one for the domain. So we have negative 2, 0, 2, 4. So negative 2, 0, 2, 4. And then for the range, we have 4, 4, 6, 6. So first one, we have 4, isang beses lang susulat, and also si 6. So kind of relation, this is what? This is many to 1. Since ang naulit yung kay range, kaya this is many to 1. So many to 1. Then in mapping diagram, ganito yan. Sulat mo lang din lahat ng elements in the domain and range. And also, in mapping diagram, there should be no repeating element. So isang beses lang din natin isusulat kapag naulit yung element. So for the domain, we have negative 2, 0, 2, 4. And then for the range or y, we only have 4 and 6. And then after that, we will use arrows. Okay? Connect lang natin yung mga ordered pairs. So first one, negative 2. Kapartner niya si 4. So we have negative 2, 4. Next one, 0, 4. So 0, 4. Next, we have 2, 6. And then the last one is 4, 6. Don't forget to use arrowheads dun sa pagpapunta na kay range. Okay? Last one. So, by graph, so again, domain, we have negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3. So, negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3. And then for the range, we have negative 1, 1, 3, 5. So, negative 1, 1, 3, 5. Kind of relation, 1 to 1 pa din. Right? So, 1, 2, 1. And then, in graphing, of course, we need a Cartesian plane, diba? And the horizontal line represents the x-axis. Vertical lines, this vertical line is the y-axis. And then to the right, positive values. To the left, negative. Upward, positive. Downward, negative. And then simply, we're going to get the intersection of the ordered pairs para ma-plot natin yung point. So first one, negative 3, negative 1. Meaning, negative 3, that is the value of x coordinate. And then negative 1 is y. So first, negative 3, it's here, kx. And then negative 1 for y. Ito naman yon. So, simply get their intersection. So, it's here. This is the point. Okay? Next, negative 1, positive 1. So, negative 1, positive 1 here. Wait lang. Nawawala yung point. I'm just going to use So we have here, and then -1, +1, then 1, 3, 1, 3, and then 3, 5. Okay? And also, you can write the coordinates, okay, beside the point. So it represents -3, -1. This one is -1, 1. This one is 1, 3. And the last one is 3, 5. So that's it. So this is our topic about relation. Bye.